Recurring discounts for subscription payment plans only. Go to either site or course. On the left hand side, scroll down to coupons, and this is Zenler's coupon area. So if you have a subscription or a payment plan running, you can apply a discount at certain billing times. For instance, if I was to check apply discount during every billing, then in every billing for that subscription or even that payment plan, it would reduce and use this coupon if originally used. You can also set it for apply discount for the first billing only. For instance, if I had 5 payments of £100, then the first payment, if this discount took off 50%, would be £50. The rest of the remaining 4 payments would be £100. So applying a discount for the first billing only. The next option we have is to apply a discount for a certain amount of months. So within here, you can apply a discount for the months you require, such as 2. So in this case, if you had 5 payments and each payment was once a month, then the first 2 payments would be discounted because it would be 2 months. After this point, they would be charged for the full price. So by using these options, you have full control over the discounts you apply to your user.